You know, in calamities like what we face today, water rising, some even reach the roof of some houses, we are being reminded how small we are. Di ba? How small we are. Akala mo, ang galing-galing mo, dumating ang baha, inanod ang iyong bahay, nawala ang lahat. That is how small we are. We are just a drop in the bucket of the ocean. We have to remember that everything is a gift. Pride makes us forget that what we have is gift from God. And just like any other gift, it can be taken away. Ipinagmamalaki mo ang yaman mo, ang maganda mong bahay, nasunugan ka, nawala. It can get lost. Because if it is a gift, it can be taken away. We are healthy now, that is a gift. And we should not brag about our health because we can be sick anytime. So pride makes us forget that everything is gift. And therefore, third, the antidote to pride is gratitude. Yun ang panabla sa kayabangan. Pagtanaw ng utang na loob. Na lahat ng ibinibigay sa atin, lahat ng meron tayo, ay dapat nating ipagpasalamat sapagkat ito'y bigay lang sa atin.